This is Danielle and Leia getting ready for a race in the pool. It looks like Leia's got a there. We'll zoom in. Here comes the and the race is on. Leia whining like a little bitch and loses. Alright. Next heat. We come around to the other side of the pool. Here they go again. There you go. Who got it? One again.